Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accompaniment. 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 Accompaniment is a noun used to describe something that goes along with or complements another thing, often in a musical or supportive context. It can refer to music that accompanies a singer or instrument, or it can refer to something that accompanies and enhances an experience. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the piano provided a beautiful accompaniment to the singer's performance. Why accompaniment is used in example number 1. Accompaniment refers to the musical support provided by the piano, enhancing the singer's performance. Example number 2, the documentary film was made more engaging with the accompaniment of historical photographs and interviews. Why accompaniment is used in example number 2. Accompaniment in this context refers to the addition of historical photographs and interviews to the documentary, enhancing its depth and engagement. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.